It's spring break here in Oregon, and we've had a busy one. It's finally Friday morning, and you see me here catching up from last night, washing a sink and counter full of dishes. And if you caught that, that was me breaking my favorite bowl. We hosted our friends for dinner last night and had just the best time with them, catching up, and lost track of time. And when I saw the clock, I was like, heck no, I ain't washing these dishes. Our dishwasher broke and I'm gonna miss it. This is me washing and remembering all the times my dishwasher did a much better job washing my glass and crystal. I'm gonna miss it, or at least until I get it looked at. But until then, this will be my life. Send help. There are chores that people enjoy doing and chores that people do not enjoy doing. I do not enjoy washing dishes by hand or otherwise. I'd much rather be scrubbing toilets and tubs than doing dishes, but that's okay. My kids have been doing dishes, loading and unloading the dishwasher for years now, and I've not had to wash dishes. But I realized in the last 10 minutes that I've been taking that for granted. So I'll do better from now on, showing my appreciation to them. I used to joke with Mitch that I was born in the wrong era, that I should have been born in the Edwardian era. And he likes to poke fun and remind me that I probably wouldn't have liked it much back then, that I'd have to wash all my pots and pans and dishes by hand. So as much as I love the Edwardian era for different reasons, I am super happy that I was born in this age and have the modern conveniences like the lovely dishwasher. At this point, it's taken me close to an hour to get all my dishes washed, and now I'm finally drying everything. In a minute here, you'll see all my kids come and join me in the kitchen and spark up conversations. None of this is scripted or edited, so sit back and enjoy. That's not a vacuum. It's an upholstery cleaner. Because I bought a chair for Sarah's room. Nobody, I'm cleaning up after yesterday. Dishwasher broke.
No.
Yeah.
Supposed to have to hand wash everything?
Yeah, no, I don't know. That's the other thing, is if we need to teach the kids how to hand wash well.
Yeah.
Because you can't wash dishes with cold water.
Great.
I don't know, it starts and 10 minutes later it stops.
What was gonna do you want?
I don't know.
We can't do this for the rest of our lives.
No, I know. I love dishwashers. I don't know.
That's making me so much dishes.
Yeah, I know.
Did you break the news to Philip?
No.
Philip, guess what? Philip. Our dishwasher broke through. Mom!
What?
Nobody keeps spitting on me. If Papa already gave her poopy about it. And I keep telling her when it's all Papa and she stop and she said, no, I don't care.
Naomi, do you need Mama to come talk to you? Alright.
Mom.
Phil was beating me up even though I didn't like it.
No, but Mom, Noni left too much slime on the rail and it spread like.
On the carpet?
It didn't go on. It didn't go on the frame.
Noni. Hey, Matthew, can you put these cups away?
Wait, our dishwasher broke one?
Yeah.
How?
Well, I don't know. It's been finicky. It's been like, sometimes it works, sometimes it
Yeah,
doesn't.
just stop in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Oh, does it work anymore? You sure?
Well, start it. The tablet's in there.
I wonder what's back there.
It almost sounds like,
Is it visible or like?
I don't know what it is. I think it's like sensors.
Mom.
Okay.
Get the
No,
lollipop.
give it 10 minutes. It like stops before it even like adds the soap. Yeah.
Oh, so you're gonna work out today?
I don't know, bruh.
Possibly.
I'm gonna work out today.
Mom, that's what we forgot to get.
What? Forgot what?
Yogurt. We have yogurt.
We have yogurt.
Oh.
Phil, these are your sandals.
Yeah, I know.
You like them?
I've known.
Huh?
I don't know if I feel something because my food goes faster.
These
I
are.
haven't eaten any
Oh
food
my
other
gosh,
than
they're
protein
ripping.
bars.
Allison, we live
Look,
like
look how
2 minutes away
grippy
from
they
the
are.
grocery store.
Phil, look how grippy they are.
And you're like spending money
7.
there.
Phil, look how
From
grippy they are.
Yeah, cool.
Look. The grip.
Mom, what should I eat for breakfast?
You didn't have breakfast yet? It's lunchtime.
Yeah.
It's like almost dinner.
What?
Did you really not eat anything, Philip?
No, but I'm just gonna have yogurt with berries.
Darn it. You know what? Actually, I probably should take this.
Yeah. Actually, no, I'll let you have that lollipop. So nice. You're not
No!
Noni, is this your slime?
Yeah.
Make sure that it doesn't.
It
did. We'll make sure it doesn't get on any of the block stuff.
Huh?
Like on carpet or couches. I need it.
won't.
What is it?
I don't know.
Mom, it was because the paint from the rail.
I didn't know that would happen.
Can you show me?
Rail. Mom, I think the rail is.
I didn't.
Hey, did paint come off? It's okay, no, you're not in trouble.